Sitting for long hours is one of the worst things we can do to our spine. If you're stuck at a desk all day, your posture is likely suffering, leading to rounded shoulders and chronic back pain. In just 5 minutes, I'm going to show you 4 essential moves to fix your posture and eliminate that discomfort. You don't need any equipment, just 5 minutes of your time. Let's get started. Start by sitting at the edge of your chair with your feet flat on the floor and your hands on your knees. Inhale deeply as you arch your back, lift your chest, and look toward the ceiling. This opens up your entire front body. As you exhale, round your spine like a cat, tucking your chin to your chest and pulling your belly button in. Continue this fluid motion for 1 minute. This is the best way to wake up a stiff spine and break the tension from hours of sitting. Now let's realign the spine with a simple twist. Sit up as tall as possible, imagining a string pulling you from the top of your head. Place your right hand on your left knee and reach back with your left hand to hold the side of your chair. Use that grip to gently rotate your torso and look over your shoulder. Take deep breaths into your belly, holding for 30 seconds before slowly switching to the other side. This move decompresses your vertebrae and improves circulation. Go ahead and stand up for this next one. To reverse the slumping habit, we need to open the chest. Interlace your fingers behind your back and pull your hands down toward the floor while lifting your heart toward the sky. Feel your shoulders pulling back into their natural position. This move undoes the damage of leaning over a keyboard and opens up your lungs for better breathing. Hold this stretch and feel the tension melting away. The final move is the ragdoll. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and slowly fold forward from your hips. Keep a slight bend in your knees to protect your lower back and let your head and arms hang completely heavy like a ragdoll. Let gravity do the work of pulling your spine long and releasing the pressure in your neck and shoulders. Shake your head gently to ensure you aren't holding any stress. 5 minutes is all it takes to reset your body and protect your long-term health.